Doesn't it?
3.9.
This is on a servo to swing it up, or?
No, just
Thrust.
Thrust. And then
Oh, thrust
line to
pulls
hold
it up.
back. It's quite cunning.
It's a tiny motor.
Very neat. Buzz special, I think.
Yeah. But I think the prop isn't ideal.
No. Well, it works.
And you've made the mount out of, you designed that yourself, I guess?
Yeah, it's all printed.
And looks like some kind of drone prop.
Yeah, 3-blade, 3-inch prop.
Oh, I can see the fishing wire.
Stop it from going right over here.
Line that stops it from going too far. Yeah. How simple is that? It's great.
Very cool. Well, this adds to the viability on.
Look at that, under its own power. It's like a full-size one.
Either one a gay night now, or maybe you're on sync next to it.
I reckon he's in sync. Now he's starting to get something.
There you go.
Dom has found a thermal with his power-assisted glider.
This tree's awesome.
It's not coming down anytime soon. Look at this, he's up. That was a nice thermal you had there, Dom.
Yeah, it's got a load of height.
You sure did. Yeah. Easy enough to do. At least it's not very windy, which means they might hang around a bit longer. Getting that sinking feeling.
Push again.
Oh.